my papa good morning and afternoon, mistake, see slap. One day I won't go school, now I enter my papa room. Now I see Playboy magazine. But not pornographic magazine now. A shower magazine. That's why I move on, enter class. I not wait for break. My teacher they teach with a look. Before I know my corner door they gather. Everybody peep. 5 times 5 is. So the guy they look. I say 5 times 5, you no answer. Stop there. I look and say, what? This is what you're doing in my class. This is what you're looking at in my class. This is what you're looking at in my class. Shit for me. When my back home, they say we saw your son with something and he doesn't want to say the owner of that thing. My papa said, my son, you're not going to talk. Come here. Today you will say who gave you that thing. What is the thing? They say, in fact, he said, go and bring it. I will beat him today. They say, sir, we don't beat children in this school. He said, no, you spread the rod, you spread the child. Now my pikin. Today you go stop that thing. And they go bring him. I know that kind of thing, not the right name, now signature. Now past signature, they on top. As they bring him. Today you will say who gave you that thing. Don't I see him. Okay. And they say, sir, let's go and get the cane. Since you say must discipline him, and so they go, my buy your face. Me say, son, you have to do this for the family name. I say, Daddy, now your own. Don't you know that my thing is your thing? No. Push and give me the whip, shake it, come up from my body. From that day, if my papa just come and beat me, you liar. I go say, I agree, I'll be liar, but I want her to talk true from the other day. She go back, worry. My papa, I worry him to the point that he say, he called the same, say, na me born you. It be like say the message, not they think. One day night carry me go in room. Say, come. I tell you, na me born you, not a year. You see this bed? Now here I make you. Me and your man. Now here I go kill you. Worry my father. You get what they happen? This April Fool thing. So they make exactly 1 month. May they stop him. Police arrested me last month, April 1st. Everybody was called that they feel saying a joke. They call me say I be armed robber. Hello, Daddy, they arrest me. Oh, they say I do everything. Come on, my son, April Fool. Everybody, now so police say today you are a dead man. Oh, you write your statement. And so I take barrel, I call right with you and no. And police take barrel and they sign April Fool. They say you comedians always using us to do joke. I body do you now. I get up, I won't go. They say you're not going anywhere. I say why? I say you say not joke. They say that they joke rich where money day. All your people they go pay you. And I get some bad parcel. Get boy that told guests since January to get not agree. April 1st now she call him. I've agreed to go out with you. Come and take me out. So the boy carry and go. Buy her clothes, buy her perfume, everything. Do her hair. They come go restaurant, go shop. Get out the shop, they lick all our finger, and the boy say, baby, after this, we're going to my hotel room. He gets, April Fool. You see this receipt? Now April Fool, you pay. Say, can somebody joke with you? Hey, I go rape you. Not. Now just a constraint now. You know one friend, boy. You let him, he go buy heaven and earth, you go do your hair, everything. They went on your rich house, the guy don't die so where they feel cool, come and say, okay, you're moving too fast, too fast. When I they buy clothes for you, not complain on my speed. When they do your hair, not complain on my speed. Now you want my cash break. My break got spoiled. You know? Wahala day. I fall in love. First time I fall in love. Not my fault too. 45-year-old woman. That time I was 20. Buffy, I love you. It's me, your girl. 45 years, my girl. I said, no problem. And she come. Buffy, will you marry me? I say, I'll give you 20 million. Give your father 5 million. When I get the money, I agree. Straight. Forget me, go. Carry on, go meet my mom. I say, Mom, meet the woman I want to marry. What will be the meaning of marry again? Say the one I want to make my wife. Come on, baby, greet my mommy. Hey, good evening, ma. Mama said, get up, we dey forbid me with you na mate. Oh. I look at women too stubborn, I carry and go meet my papa, but that time my blood all dey hot. I said, Father, I will marry her. My papa just quiet, he not talk. I will marry her because I love her. She helped me when I had no money. She helped me when I had no clothes. She helped me when I had no food. I will marry her because she helped me. She helped me, Papa. I must marry her. She helped me. Papa looked at me and said, you don't talk finish. I said, yes, okay. When person help person, now thank you, then they tell her. Thank you now. Old woman, leave my son alone. Old woman, my son will marry a young girl. You hear me, you old woman? Get out, you old woman. And so she will say, Bobby, I see what you've caused. I told you, let's send this 5 million to your father. You say we must come and present it as cola. Thank God I will carry my 5 million and go. Yeah. Young girl. Oh. Say you said that I'm too open, but you know that age is nothing but a number. I come here. Listen, if you don't marry him, I will marry you. For 5 million. Mama, fight. Woman own ain't too bad, but everything na quarrel. Your husband not go sleep, your children not go sleep. Talk. The thing don't make me reason now. What if woman they use battery like phone? By the time you consider the light situation, you don't talk anyhow, or else you're just off. Honey, who was that girl in the car? I saw a girl in your car today. I'm asking you, who was that girl in the car? I'm talking to you, don't want to answer. Who was that girl in the car? Light's not there. Who was that girl in the car? That time you call see. I know the one battery one with things going to happen with slow motion. Honey, who was that girl in the car? Yo, this time. Pick. Honey, I said, who was that girl in the car? Man say, honey, you will off now. You off. Just to save your battery. That time they bring like to see the woman, they struggle, they go plug herself. Nothing man will off the fuse. Talk now, talk. Now that's why you see rude women get step battery for baby. Oh yeah, go fuck you. Oh boy. The only time when that people affect man, now in the night, when you want. Honey, so there, just stop, no light. Have to prepare your food in the morning. Have to take children to school. You can't play game now. If you play game, I will off. You see man wrong, go in neighbor house. See your wife is Nokia N75. Can I have a battery, please? Go borrow battery. Then, what if the word won't at the talk, women, What if una dey load her like credit? You just load word. If your word finish, you don't fit talk again. Una no for no dey talk anyhow. And trust husbands, na only like 200 naira credit for the bike given her. You just talk all the important things when necessary. Honey, what do we need to do? You help buy the credit. We need food. We need. You get wetin I wan tell you. Don't worry. You see women wey go dey buy credit like 500 load for quarrel. Honey, who was that girl in the car? You don't want to answer me who that girl in the car was. I'm talking to you. Who was that girl in the car? Till you give you sign. 1 minute remaining. Now that time you come see a woman they manage what? Honey, girl, car who? Hey.